This video is part of the course that is Neo4j with Spring Boot. Link for the course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will see how to create and drop the database using Neo4j browser. So let's get started. So here is the Neo4j browser, and as I said already that we have two databases by default. Okay, one is Neo4j default and the another one is system database, and this is containing some system information. Okay, now say for example we want to create a new database. So this is our student DBMS, and inside that we can have multiple databases. So let's see how to create the new database. So here is the place where we can write the queries. So just write it down like create database and then the name of the database. Say student is the database name, and hit the enter, or you can click over here as well. So see, student database has been created. Okay, you can select over here. See, so now we have selected student database. So whatever queries you will write over here, that will get executed on this particular database. Now let's create another database. Say create database temp and hit the enter. Okay, now we want to jump to this temp database. Okay, we can select from here as well, but say we want to use the query to switch to this database, and we want to use this database and want to perform some queries on this particular database. So just write it down like colon use and then name of the database. Just execute. See, now the temp database has been selected. So whatever queries you will write over here, that will get executed on this particular database. The same thing you can do from drop down as well. Just select the student. See, it is also executing this query. Okay, use student. Just click over here and it will give you the query over here to execute. Now let's see how to drop the database. Say for example we want to drop the database temp that we have. Okay, then we need to do like drop database temp and execute it. So now see, we just have three databases. Okay, temp database has been dropped. So this is how you can create and drop database using Neo4j browser. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to learn Neo4j? If yes, then I am having complete course on it, that is Neo4j with Spring Boot. In this course, first of all you will learn basics of Neo4j, and after having the basic knowledge, you will learn to perform CRUD operations in Neo4j. You will also learn to perform AND, OR and IN queries in Neo4j. You will learn different types of constraints available in Neo4j. You will learn how to do pagination and sorting in Neo4j. This course covers how to use different aggregate functions like sum, count and distinct in Neo4j. You will learn to compare string values using contains and starts with queries. In the later part of the course, you will learn how to use Neo4j in your Spring Boot application using Spring Data Neo4j. You will learn to perform CRUD operations using Neo4j repository. After that, you will learn to perform AND, OR and IN queries using Spring Data Neo4j in your Spring Boot application. You will also learn to do pagination and sorting using Spring Data Neo4j. So what are you waiting for? Link for the course is given in the description. Just click on the link and start your journey with Neo4j. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.